Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 1 according to new book. In previous month I had taught you according to old book. The name of the first chapter is where, when and how. I am going to explain the key point of this chapter. Development in the modern period of Indian history. In India, the modern period begins with the establishment of British rule under East India Company. With the establishment of the British, several major changes took place in the political, social, economic, and cultural life of India. With the coming of the British, new system of administration, laws, and revenue collection were introduced in India. British rule led to the exploitation of the peasants, artisans, and ruined the handicrafts industry. Naturally, the Indians protested against these colonial operations. Changes in social, political, and cultural life of India. India witnessed many social and cultural changes. A number of social legislation were passed to prevent child marriage, sati, and female infanticide. Laws were passed to improve the condition of the widows and impart education to women. British rule gave rise to colonial cities like Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras. India also saw the emergence of nationalism in this period. Sources of information. Official records. One of the most authentic sources of information for this period is official records. The British preserved all the important documents. They set up record rooms. Literary sources. There are innumerable literary sources of this period comprising of new patterns, newspapers, plays, novels, diaries, biographies, and autobiographies. Besides these sources, photographs, paintings, maps, and statues are also important sources of information. Surveys and census. The British introduced the practice of surveying India in order to know the country properly. These surveys give us a detailed information about crops, soil, flora and fauna, and topography of India. At the end of the 19th century, the British organized census operation after every 10 years. Colonial period. Many historians refer to the period of British as the colonial period because India was victim of colonial exploitation. This period tells us how the British established their control over India. And I stop my statement. See you next time. Thanks.